Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play My Hero Ultra Rumble and I'm getting this error. Unexpected error occurred onto the server when returning to the title screen. So what's really going on right here into the My Hero Ultra Rumble? So guys, definitely there is a maintenance period going on. Now let me show you the latest maintenance schedule. What's the latest server status? Today in this video we'll be going to check out all the details. Alright guys, so right over here onto the Twitter, here you can see there are few people reporting that this error is occurring. Check this out. My Hero Ultra Rumble is at maintenance. This error is occurring. There are other people reporting the same kind of error. So guys, definitely there is a maintenance period going on. Now let me show you the latest maintenance schedule when they'll be going to fix this one. Alright, so this is the My Hero Ultra Rumble Twitter official page and let's check it out the latest update. Alright guys, so right here on to 23 hours ago. 23 hours ago, this is really important. We are aware of the following network issues. Network disconnects and return to the title screen during login. Matchmaking are taking longer than usual. We are currently investigating this issue and thanks for your report and feedback. Then right after that, let me show you what they have did. So this is the one right over here. 23 hours ago, a bug notice. We have identified an issue affecting PlayStation 4 users regarding rental tickets. They have released this bug notice right over here. Also talking about the workaround and the occurrences, and they are apologizing for the issue. But here's the thing, 22 hours ago the battle begins. Take the battle with your friends in squad based super power battle royale in My Hero Ultra Rumble. Then talking about 1 hour ago, here you can see guys, this is the maintenance schedule. They are talking about it. Short term maintenance will be announced and conducted as follows. 9:30 today the maintenance will be going on. 16 UTC, that is on 9 a.m. Pacific time. Thanks for your patience, heroes and villains. Stay vigilant and keep eye out on any update. Then right after that guys, there is no recent update. So you see they have released the maintenance schedule. So you need to wait 16 UTC 9 a.m. Pacific time. This is released 1 hour ago. This is a recent tweet. And once I get in the latest details in My Hero Ultra Rumble, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe. And this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.